So this is Angry Birds from McDonald's. Let's get a Happy Meal and get some Angry Bird pigs trying to get the eggs. Here comes the pig. Gosh! It smashed down the eggs. Where's the Angry Bird to stop him? Look at that, the pig is up there. Oh, and the egg smashed him. There's Lynn. Here comes the angry pig. The greedy pig. Oh, he missed the eggs. Here comes another pig. The greedy pig wants to catch the egg. Oh, smashed it. Down it goes. Here comes the pig again. It's looking at the eggs. Got the eggs.